Hi everyone, welcome back to Teju's Healthy Eats. Oats are so versatile, not just for oatmeal or overnight oats. Today I'm showing you two quick, high-protein, blender-friendly pancakes that are cozy, seasonal, and macro-balanced. These make the perfect post-workout meal and keep you full for hours without the urge to snack and compromise your fitness goals. I love making these on crisp, chilly mornings when fall is just around the corner, quick, comforting, and full of protein. Let's start with my fall favorite pumpkin spice protein pancakes. I always begin with the wet ingredients first in the blender. Non-fat Greek yogurt, pumpkin puree, 1 large egg, now the dry ingredients, rolled oats, just a splash of vanilla essence, a pinch of salt, baking powder, some pumpkin spice, cinnamon, monk fruit sugar, and then blend it until smooth. The batter should be thick and creamy. Transfer the batter to a bowl and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the oats to soak and swell, giving you fluffier pancakes while the griddle heats up. Next, heat up your griddle, brush lightly with olive oil, and scoop the batter using an ice cream scooper. Cook these on medium heat about 3 minutes per side until golden and fluffy. Once cooked through, transfer the pancakes to a serving dish and get them ready for toppings. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, give this video a like. It really helps more people find healthy, protein-packed recipes just like this one. Stack them up, and for toppings, I add a dollop of Greek yogurt, a swirl of pumpkin puree, sprinkle of cinnamon, and just a light drizzle of maple syrup. These are soft, fluffy, and packed with over 46 grams of protein, around 540 calories, and well-balanced macros, a stack that will actually keep you full for hours. Now for my vegan blackberry protein pancakes. These are soft, slightly thinner, but so flavorful. Into the blender go the wet ingredients first: 1 cup of silken tofu, plant-based Greek-style yogurt, vanilla essence, a pinch of salt, then the dry ingredients, rolled oats, baking powder, monk fruit sugar, unsweetened plant-based protein powder, unsweetened coconut milk, and then a 1/4 cup of blackberries just before blending. Transfer the batter to a bowl and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the oats to soak and swell, giving you fluffier pancakes while the griddle heats up. Heat your skillet, brush with olive oil, Pour the batter using an ice cream scooper. And cook these on low and slow on medium-low heat, about 5 minutes per side, flipping carefully until both sides are done. Cook for a few minutes on one side until bubbles form. Gently flip and cook the other side until golden brown. Once cooked through, transfer the pancakes to a serving dish and get them ready for toppings. While these blackberry pancakes cook, let's talk about both of these recipes. Both stacks are nutrient-packed, macro-balanced, and perfect post-workout or as a hearty breakfast. The best part? These recipes are flexible. No pumpkin puree, use banana, applesauce, or even butternut squash. Out of blackberries, swap with blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries. No silken tofu, use more yogurt, or simply add an extra scoop of protein powder. These swaps make the recipes foolproof and easy to adapt. Stack them up, and for toppings, I use plant-based yogurt and my quick raw blackberry compote. Just mashed blackberries with monk fruit sugar and a little vanilla essence. Pour that over the stack, drizzle lightly with maple syrup, and it's ready to enjoy. This recipe gives you about 4 to 5 pancakes with 45 grams of plant-based protein, around 572 calories, and macro balance that fuels your day. The colors and flavor are just perfect for the season. So there you have it, my 2 fall-inspired protein pancake stacks. Pumpkin spice for a cozy classic flavor, or vegan blackberry for a fruity, tangy twist. Which one would you try first? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick, high-protein, healthy recipes every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.